Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred a youth in the Samba district. The youth was martyred by the border security force personnel in the Ramgarh area of the district on Monday night. Meanwhile, a blast-like sound was heard in the Jammu city. All parties Hurriyat Conference has urged the United Nations and the international human rights organizations to take notice of the continued atrocities and the military siege by the Indian troops and police personnel in the occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, paying tribute to the youth recently martyred by the Indian troops in Pulwama, Kupwara and Poonch areas, said that the Modi regime, under a planned conspiracy, was killing and arresting the Kashmiri youth. Indian troops arrested two youth in the Baramulla district. The troops arrested the youth during a cordon and search operation in the Kreri area of the district. The Indian police booked 4 persons under the Black Law Public Safety Act on the charge of being involved in the pro-freedom activities in the Bandipur district. Tehreek-e-Wahdat-e-Islami, constituent of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, has strongly condemned the continued ban on the Muharram processions by the administration in occupied Kashmir. Tehreek-e-Wahdat, at a meeting in Srinagar, deplored that the main processions of 8th and 10th Muharram continue to remain banned in the Srinagar since 1990s, which is a clear interference in the religious affairs of the Muslims. Mission Statehood Jammu Kashmir has appealed to the Chief Justice of India to direct the Election Commission of India to not hold any election in occupied Jammu and Kashmir till the direction on the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A is announced by the Indian court. Addressing a press conference in Jammu, Sunil Dimple said BJP is leading the people of Jammu and Kashmir. United States has said that it was deeply concerned by the reports of viral videos showing 2 women paraded naked in the India's northeastern state of Manipur, a sexual assault that engaged the country. The assault, in which a mob allegedly raped and paraded the naked women, took place over 2 months ago, but it captured the national and global attention as the video went viral on the social media.